Hello, my name's Lizzie from Motor Match Stafford, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Porsche Macan 3.6T V6 Turbo PDK 4-wheel drive. Now this vehicle is a petrol with an automatic transmission, and it is also ULEZ compliant and finished in jet black metallic paint. To start off with, then you have your LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with this, you also have your 19-inch Macan Turbo design alloy wheels with a two-tone finish, really complementing against the jet black metallic exterior colour. You also have privacy glass located in your rear and cargo area, ensuring any passengers or belongings travelling with you have the privacy they desire. Moving to the rear of the vehicle, you can find your electronic boot lid. Once open, you can see that you've got a large amount of space. You could easily fit in a large size suitcase or perhaps a pushchair. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can find the black leather upholstery. The middle seat does fold down to provide an armrest, or you could fold it away to carry that fifth passenger. Moving through the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel infotainment system, and as we pan around again, you can find that lovely upholstery once more, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. This vehicle features a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. The driver's seat is electronically adjustable, allowing you to find a comfortable position, and once you've found it, you are able to save it, as it is a memory seat as well. You also have the upgraded BOSE sound system, helping to enhance your listening experience on any journey you may take in this vehicle. On your multifunctional steering wheel, you have your hands-free options, buttons for your information panel, and of course you also have your cruise control, ideal for those longer journeys, allowing you to travel at a constant speed. Taking a look at your dash, you can see this vehicle has done 52,417 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your infotainment system, you have everything you may need for any journey. Included with this is your navigation system, which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring that you always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations. As well as this, you also have your Bluetooth connectivity, which allows you to make and receive those important phone calls whilst on the go. You also have your DAB radio, which is all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to, along with surround cameras allowing you to see almost every angle of the vehicle, ensuring that manoeuvring and reversing is so much easier. Moving to your climate control, you have a dual zone climate control where you can individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger, as well as easily adjust airflow and airflow direction. You also have front heated seats, which is a luxury to have, especially on those colder days. Now this vehicle has an off-road driving mode along with your Sport Plus driving mode, which includes a sports exhaust, and as well as this you also have air suspension. This has been a presentation on a Porsche Macan 3.6T V6 Turbo PDK 4-wheel drive that is now available to purchase from Motor Match Stafford. For more information, please contact our sales team.